Simon Metals, formerly Joseph Simon & Sons, has been operating continuously in the South Puget Sound region for over 80 years. Simon Metals has been both an innovator in the scrap metal recycling industry and a responsible partner to its community, employees, and environment. Having undergone a complete site and soils remediation in the 1990s, our yard today is a model of environmental stewardship for a facility of our kind. We have been recognized by the Washington State Department of Ecology for our model performance. As market conditions and customer demands have changed over the years, investment in new equipment and processes has allowed Simon Metals to continue to lead its industry in responding to these variables. A legacy of investment in sophisticated processing equipment and a depth of integrity and fairness at all levels of our organization are hallmarks of our continued success. From our boutique aluminum shredder line to our high-capacity stationary shear and baling operations to our dedicated fleet of roll-off trucks and long-haul end dumps, we offer unparalleled full-service scrap recycling capabilities in the Puget Sound region. Simon Metals has leveraged its scrap processing capabilities into two new and distinct service lines: electronic waste recycling and turnkey demolition services. Electronic waste, or e-waste recycling, involves the collection, processing, and reclamation of precious metals found in household and industrial electronic waste. Simon Metals employs a proprietary processing methodology to separate e-waste products into various components of recoverable and non-recoverable materials. Such items as television sets also contain hazardous materials such as mercury. Our process is completely controlled from start to finish and regulated under industry guidelines. In fact, the transparency and control of this process has led Simon Metals to be accredited as a Washington State Electronics Waste Preferred Processing Site. Demolition Services is another recent addition to our recycling services line. Our long-standing experience as a direct exporter to all of the Asian metal markets has long afforded us access to the most competitive scrap prices in the industry, which we have consistently passed on to our suppliers. Recently, in response to customer demand that we self-perform as much heavy ferrous metal demolition work as possible, we have formed an in-house demolition services group. Along with our trusted subcontractors, we handle substantial ferrous heavy frame demolition projects throughout the Puget Sound region. Our own mobile shears, loaders, experienced operators, and dedicated fleet of roll-off and end dump trucks offer a one-stop solution to your demolition needs. From single structures to multi-acre defunct paper and sawmill operations, our team has the equipment and the know-how to ensure that you are left with a turnkey solution to your demolition needs at the most competitive prices. Simon Metals is here to serve you.